going to cause an indentation here, which is not nice. So I just wrap until I have the last hair. I am still wrapping the last strand of hair. Wrap, 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 not making it tight, and then we do this. And this is what we have. Does it look tight on camera? You cannot tell. Is it paining you? It's not tight, but with braiding gel sometimes you just cannot tell. So this is one. This is one. So with this style, I prefer this. I like this hairstyle for her fussy short hair because, as you can tell, her hair is well protected inside this hairstyle, and because her hair is short, it makes the wrapping hairstyle easier. If her hair were to be this long, I would have to wrap up to this extent, which is not as fun as just wrapping a short distance. So this hair is perfect for people with short hair. So now I can just braid again without making it tight. It looks tight. See, it's not tight. It's not tight. I promise you the hair is not tight. So I wrap, and now here, give me one of those ones, short one. Okay, let me show you how the hair comes. This is the hair. For adults, we use it to this full length. This is the length of the hair. But for her, I cut it into 3 to still make like a ponytail, a short pony length. So this how I fold it into 3, and then I cut. Scissors. Okay, thank you. So this is how I cut the hair into 3 pieces, and now I have 3. This is what I'll use for her. So turn your hair. This I'll just have a little pony at the end, like this length. That's what I'm going for. I don't want it too long, and I want it scanty. So another trick when you're trying to make scanty hair like hers, around here it is slightly smaller, just slightly smaller, so that when I pack her hair up in a ponytail, I am still going to have few, like not too much hair here. In order to achieve that, you have to make the inner part that is not going to be visible kind of bigger. So as you can see, this section is bigger than this section, not in a crazy way, but it is bigger. You can tell it is bigger. You can tell it is bigger. So when I pack her hair in a ponytail, we will not be having too much hair going on. I don't like too much hair on kids like this. It makes it not look appropriate, and it's uncomfortable. It's just, no, we don't need to do too much. Oh, we actually started this hair yesterday. That's why it's looking. So you see, when I pack the hair, we just have small length, and it's looking, it's looking okay. See, the hair is not tight. It's not tight. She has like moving scalp, but her hair is not tight. And as I said, we made this hair yesterday, but I just wanted to come on camera and show you guys how we do it. This hair is so easy to pack, and it feels like kinky. Like when you pack your hair with kinky hair extensions and just use even one of the hair to wrap around, it stays put. That's how this hair does. It stays together, like they come together and stay together. So that's what it's going to look like. So let's continue. I have my hair, the hair piece like this, go down from under. If this thing was tight, and let's say I make this thing too tight and it's painful, right? Instead of attaching the hair from down here, I would attach the hair from here, from the braid. Okay, I've heard you. I would attach the hair from the braid like this, instead of making the hair painful. No, don't wait for us, eat. So let's go. I'm attaching it down because the hair is not tight. As you can see, it is not tight. So I am going to unravel this one and unravel this one a bit, just twist it. Then I can use this to cover her natural hair like this. Her natural hair is enclosed inside. Now it's time to wrap. This place is loose. I'm going to wrap it a little bit, but For the major wrapping, it's going to be on the braid itself. So this is one of the unraveled hair piece. You can just use